How to cancel pending transactions on MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'd learn how you can cancel pending transactions on MetaMask. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your MetaMask account, just like I have done here. And then once you do that, you'll be brought to the page where you see your account, you'll see the network you're on, and then you'll see other options as well. So once you can see this, for you to cancel your transaction, if the transaction is still pending on the network, you can simply select cancel. All right, straightforwardly or ahead. Now to do that, for example, if you want to carry out a transaction such as swapping, for example, and then you select swap, and then you take it to the swap page. On this page, you can see the currency, the token that you have, the token that you want to swap. So you can decide to leave it as Ethereum, or you can select any other currency of your choice. So after selecting the currency, we have to enter in the amount of tokens that you would like to swap. So for me, I'll be selecting 23, and then you can just go ahead and select the token that you want to swap it to. And then once that is done, you can see that the codes will be fetched for this particular transaction. And then once the code has been fetched, you will see the gas fee, you will see the amount that you will receive from swapping your Ethereum to your USDT. Now, once you can now see that, before I go further, let's this load first. So on this page, you can see the gas fee, the quote rate, and all. So by the time you click on swap, you'll be taken to another page where you'd see more details about the transaction. And then if it's pending, on that same page, you'll see the option cancel. So just select it, and then the transaction will be cancelled automatically. On some cases, you might lose your gas fee. All right, if it has gotten to a point where the gas fee is needed, you might lose it, you might not get it back, but the transaction will be cancelled. But this is how you can cancel transaction on MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching and have a good day.